somehow, Brandy has allowed me to launch the car with her on the inside of it, dude. All right. I have to launch the car with no hands. I gotta tell you that, but.
No, then I don't know. Okay. Please don't kill us. Okay. What time?
Ain't that bad.
Not that bad.
Get this stuff opened up. Check it out. These are the air filters. I like new stuff. I'm pretty excited to get these on the car. Let's go get the charge tubes, or not charge tubes. These tubes look really good in pictures, but they're nicer in real life. No welds on any of this. It's all pre-bent. Makes sense. Watch out, rat. That is really sweet. Hopefully I don't drop it. I'm good at ruining nice things. Hence, oh, remember mic on right there? Yeah. Yeah. That's what you get for driving with sticks. I like this one, dude. Because it has this setup on it. This has welds in it. Hey. Little rat. Got sidetracked. That's another thing I'm good at is turning like you know, pretty simple job into a giant pain in the butt. The box is empty. Sorry, husband. There is a, the directions are nice on the website for these. The biggest thing, I've seen a couple other people's install videos. The little O-ring. There's already one in there, I wonder if it's a spare one, maybe not. Check out the directions, but that's pretty much everything. I mean, obviously, you have to put it together, take that apart. Do have to switch from the factory pieces that go to the turbo, the little like spring clamps, whatever the heck you want to call them. But yeah, get the show on the road. You can come in a little closer, buddy. Right here, I always have a rough time with these things. I always ruin them, but there's actually a little itty bitty space right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I just put the very edge of this in there, popped it up, bam, and it came right out. There. And then once you just pull the top up a little bit, just keep pulling it up, move it, bang. That pretty much comes out, and then unplugging this little sensor. There's two little clips, top, bottom, squeeze it, bang, pull out. Next step is removing the top of the air boxes. I think it's a T25. All right.
Yeah, that's why you got to pop that cover off there.
Pop what cover off?
You ain't fitting that down in there with that.
Yeah, but I can just pop the front of it off and it'll pull up. I don't want to take. And there's one over there. Think that'll be enough?
I'm trying, that's all I can say.
Do you want to see if
Well, you don't even have the clip on there.
Yeah, I was seeing which way it had to go. It's gonna go like this. That's how it's gonna sit. I had to bring my dad over here. Make sure I get the clips on decently. No way it's gonna happen.
Honestly, there's no way it's not gonna happen.
I still have to take this
cover
bolt
off. Mark, that cover's gonna have to come off.
Alright, I'll just take it off then. Had my dad come over, help me get the little pins or little clips in and everything lined up. This was a little tricky, and I noticed a few other guys actually on their install videos put a washer underneath here. I wasn't really a big fan of that, but I actually just flipped the bar upside down and it doesn't hit the intake pipe. So now I'm gonna fire this thing up and see what it does. All right, we got them installed. Gonna take it for a quick ride. I only have this GoPro. It does have the wind mic on it, so I'm probably gonna hold it outside, test it out. I was supposed to get my hand controls installed, but it didn't happen. Still driving with sticks, but at least we got the intake. All right, runner with a stick, bud. This is valves closed on the inside with the door open. Valves open. And notice how I'm letting my car warm up before I rev it. I hope the rest of the people on YouTube doing this does it, because it gives me anxiety when I watch a video and someone just whop, up, up, up. But yeah, like this. That's it. Or you could look at my ugly mug. Maybe it'd be better looking at my ugly mug, dude. What's good? Eat it. Remote started this thing, it got freezing. I'm just gonna put it, I was gonna put it in M mode right out of the gate, but I'm interested to hear what it sounds like. I'm a little excited. I want to say it's on map 2 right now, so it's added a little bit of the boosticles. Dang, dude, all the heat is on in this car. It's hot. You should be able to hear it right away. I don't hear much right there, but oh yes, dude. That's not even in the in M mode. Safety first, kids. Seatbelt. I don't know if you could hear it or not, but I put it in M mode now, but it's crazy sound. That's not even turned up, so I can only imagine what this thing's gonna sound like. I'm sold. I really did want to get the front ones, but I wasn't taking my car all apart. This isn't two-wheel drive, dude. I'm gonna put it in all-wheel so it stops spinning and maybe gets a better load on it. I'm probably gonna try to grab it. I want to grab the camera and put it outside the window, but I don't necessarily want to drive with no hands, you know? I do like to put it in two-wheel drive when I'm turning around like this because you can feel the four-wheel drive. Like, on my M1 setting, it's 50-50. On the 80-20, it's probably not so bad, but... like with the brake, with little kid was just waving at me. I have bad ADD. Launch mode. That should sound pretty cool. I haven't done a burnout in front of my mom's house yet. She loves it when I do this. I'm gonna try launching it in two-wheel drive. You can't really hear it at all until obviously the turbo is those little boosts, and then you hear it. My mom's gonna, I guarantee you she's looking out the window right now. Apparently it won't do it in two-wheel drive. Interesting. If anyone knows, or if anyone wanted to know, now you know. Sounds so weird. I like it though. I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to grab the camera. I went brain down my whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera off. Get an intake if you got a G80 or a G82. I approve. I wanted to bring Callaway in here. He would have been pretty soaked. All right, I'm coming in the garage.